welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Modi and welcome to another haul video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a lot of traditional wear that I have recently purchased. Some of them are daily wear, some of them for special occasion. I have different varieties to show you guys, so I'm really excited. So without further ado, let's get started. The first piece that I have is this light yellow thread embroidered straight kurta. MRP of this product was 1300, but I bought it for 650 rupees only, so it was a steal deal for me. The fabric mentioned on the website is that it's a viscose fabric and I am in the size L. All the kurtas or whatever dresses that I'm going to be showing you in this video are going to be in the size L. It's very basic kurta, comfortable, 3/4 sleeve, slip on and you are good to go. So easy to wear, just a very regular as kurta. It also has this very comfortable V-neck. Now personally I love V-neck over round neck. Next I have this beautiful white V-neck embroidered cotton kurta. Comes with a pant and dupatta, which makes it a salwar kameez altogether. What I like about it is that it's embroidered, it's stitched, it's not glued, so it will not fall off out of nowhere. If you are going for a family reunion, you are looking for a salwar kameez which looks very elegant and is cotton material and it's very comfortable. It has 3/4 sleeve. Both the kurta and the pant don't contain zip, so it's easy to slip on. Dupatta is also very lightweight, it's not heavy at all, very easy to carry if you wanna carry. If you don't wanna carry, kurta and the pant itself looks very elegant without the dupatta as well. I bought it for 2295 rupees and the MRP was 5100 rupees. Very expensive I would say, but I got a huge discount. I have this purple embroidered V-neck kurta and इसका जो chest area है पूरा mirror work किया हुआ है and it's all are stitched. You can slip on, it does not come with a closure. Once again, it's viscose shantoon material. It's in the color purple, one of my favorite color right now to wear. It looks very good on brown skin. I just realized that recently. You can wear it just as it is. You necessarily don't have to pair it up with a pant, but if you want to, it's up to you. It's your choice at the end of the day. You can wear it like a frock. It looks really cute. Comes with 3/4 sleeve. The MRP of this is 2300 rupees. However, I have paid 1295 rupees for this particular kurta. इस वीडियो में मैं जो भी आपको दिखाऊंगी ना, वो सब वी नेक में ही मिलेगा मोस्टली, बिकॉज आई लव वेयरिंग वी नेक. मैं अभी तो राउंड नेक पहनी हुई हूँ, बट आई डोंट प्रेफर वेयरिंग राउंड नेक ऑन अ डे टू डे बेसिस. मेरे पास और एक वी नेक में कुर्ता है एंड दिस इज इन द कलर रेड. कटिंग ऑफ दिस कुर्ता इज समथिंग दैट आई एब्सोल्युटली लव. साइड में भी इसका कट है, एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड लेस हैज बीन एडेड. इट्स कंफर्टेबल टू वेयर इन अ डे टू डे बेसिस एंड इट लुक्स वेरी एलिगेंट व्हेन यू आर वेयरिंग इट. इट्स नॉट अ perfectly fitted kurta. It's a little loose kurta. I am in the size L, but it's still looking a little loose on me. I loved it so much that with the same design I have another color, navy blue, one of my favorite shades to wear on a day-to-day basis. Design जो है वो बिल्कुल same है, just in different color. If I like some design, I like to invest in different colors if there is any availability. I bought it for 998 rupees. However, it is MRP'd at 1995 rupees. So it was a steal deal for me. मुझे actually MRP देके दो एक साथ मिल गया था. Very regular pink bandhani print kurta. This is something is actually meant for office or like if you go to college or something like that. Print is so pretty in the front and it comes with 3/4 sleeve. I got it for 600 rupees. However, the MRP of this product is 1200 rupees. So I got flat 50% discount on it. I have bought it around June month and I'm showing you in August month. So there is gonna be a little bit of price fluctuation for sure. Irrespective of the price, I think bandhani print is something that you should definitely have. I don't know if I should say it, but it looks very Rajasthani type. It's very easy to slip on because it does not come with any zip closure. Once again, very moderate round neck. इसके side में ना cut है, so you cannot just wear it as it is. You have to pair it up with any type of pants that you have. Next, मेरे पास है ये yellow color में 3-piece dress. It's actually a sharara pant that comes with a strappy top and a cane. I bought it for 1700 rupees. However, it's priced at 4200 rupees. So I got a flat 60% discount on it. Pant is very wide, gives dimension. It's a very occasional dress. You can definitely wear it if you are having any upcoming haldi ceremony. It deserves to be worn in an occasion, you know. Material of the top and the sharara pant is georgette and the fabric of the cape is organza. Next I have this lilac shade flared jumpsuit. It does not look like a jumpsuit once you wear it. That's the best part. It actually looks like a gown and it also comes with this sequin embroidered cane. It adds so much to the jumpsuit. I don't recommend you wear the jumpsuit jumpsuit without the skin at all. It comes in pair, of course. I paid 2093 rupees, slightly expensive, but it totally worth the penny. MRP'd at 4650 rupees, very costly, right? So I got 54% off on it. You can wear it in any occasion. It's not very over the top, but it's still over there. The moment I tried it on myself and I saw myself in the mirror, and I'm like, oh my god, this is looking so pretty. I envisioned it in a different way because the model was wearing it and it was actually looking like a very basic one, but she was wearing in the size S. Try to wear it with a sleeveless bra as well because it does give very good support. Whatever size you wear regularly, just order that and it will fit you perfectly. It has a round neck and the fabric is georgette and it has a shantung lining as well. This color will actually look very flattering on every skin tone, so I highly recommend this piece to everyone actually. Before showing the next piece, here is today's giveaway. Next, I have this ivory and blue batik print kurta. It comes with high neck and 3/4 sleeve. It has a little bit of like mirror work, which are embroidered but very minimal. You can see ends in your under bust area. Very easy to slip on. It does not come with a zip closer on the back. It fitted me really well. The height of this kurta is very perfect. It does have a cut in the end, as you can see. You need to wear it with a pant. Comes with a collared high neck. All over the kurta, it has the same batik print, as you can see. The patla cotton material hai actually. You can definitely purchase it for your daily wear purpose. I have this peach color striped anarkali kurta. इसका जो neckline है वो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया. I love V-neck and it also has a lace detailing on the end. Also has an additional kapda inside. That's also cotton material. बहुत ही अच्छा घेर है इसका. Very mini embroidery work on the chest area. And ये जो detailing है वो stitched है. ये आप ऐसे खोल नहीं सकते. These buttons are only for show. So yeah, that's all the traditional wears I had for you guys for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, then please do not forget to like it. Comment down below which one is your favorite amongst all of the products that I have shown you today. And if you want to get any of these, I have put all the necessary links in the description box below. I do have a personal coupon code. It will not give me any additional benefit. It's specially curated for you guys, which is Molly 2024, which is flashing on the screen right here. It will give you additional discount. So if you want to save some extra bucks, you know what to do. Put the affiliate code while checking out section and you will be good to go. I wanted to try it on with you guys. It's just kind of my favorite thing, and I wanted to review these kurtas as well because I saw some of these pieces are going viral. That's what intrigued me to buy these pieces. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and participate in the giveaway that I have for you guys in today's video. The rules are very simple. Subscribe to this channel, subscribe to my vlogging channel, follow my Instagram and leave a comment underneath this video. I will see you very soon with a new long form content. Bye.